Hello, today I'm going to make chicken kadhai. This is liked by my family, my friends, whoever has tasted it likes it. So I thought I'll share it with you. You can have it for breakfast with your friends, family. If you are having someone over for lunch or dinner, then too. So do try this recipe, and this is part of my Desi breakfast recipes. I'm using 5 peeled tomatoes. These are frozen tomatoes. I'm going to blend them and make a nice puree out of them. It's up to you if you want to use fresh tomatoes. Just blend them. I'm using 1 kg chicken. I'm using ghee here. It's up to you if you prefer ghee or oil. I'm using around 2 tablespoons of ghee for 1 kg chicken. I'm just stirring it so that the chicken starts to release its water. And now I'm adding ginger garlic paste that helps to remove the smell of the chicken. Now adding all the dry masalas, the powdered masalas. Just trying to coat all the chicken with the masala. Now I am adding the tomato puree. I'm just covering it for some time, a few minutes only. Now if you can notice that I have the spoon in the pan, and so that I don't cover the lid totally, because we don't want the chicken to get too soft. So now all these steps are between just covering it for some time, then opening, stirring and covering and opening. It's a very simple dish and a very, very tasty dish. Now I am adding ginger slices along with the green chilies. I'm adding it now, but you can also add it at the end if you prefer it. Just adding some water so that it just mixes well and it is not totally dry. If you've noticed, we had to dry the tomato water completely so that the masala is well coated with the chicken. And now we add a little water, and here your dish is ready. So here is chicken kadhai recipe. I made it in ghee. It's up to you if you want to make it in oil. I will write down all the details with the recipe, so that will be easy for you to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe and comment. And if you want, there are other recipes that go with this dish. I will put the link down below so you can follow those as well. Thank you so much.